Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn about types of machine learning. So there are three main types of machine learning, which is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Okay, I'll explain everything in the simplest way possible. First type of machine learning is supervised learning. So what is supervised learning? Here, let's imagine you are in a school and a teacher is helping you to learn. Every time you answer a question, the teacher tells you if it is correct or wrong. So, this is exactly how supervised learning works in machines. The machine is given label data. So, here in the image, if you see, we are giving labeled data. So we are saying what is camel, what is dog, and what is cat. These are labels, and we are giving that input to the machine. So machine already knows the answers, so it learns from the label data. Once the machine learns patterns on these images or data, after training phase is completed, when it comes to the testing phase or inference phase, if we give a new image of camel, it will know, it will predict that this is the image of camel. Some real world examples are predicting house prices based on features like size, location, number of rooms, email spam detection. So, what is labeled as spam and what should be labeled as not spam, and etc. There are many learning techniques in supervised learning, which are linear regression, logistic regression, name based classifiers, support vector machines, decision trees, and random forest. We'll see all of these, each one of these are vast topics in itself. So, we'll see each one of these in future sessions. And second type of machine learning is unsupervised learning. So what is unsupervised learning is, now imagine you are exploring something new without any guidance. You have to find patterns on your own. That's unsupervised learning. Here the machine is given unlabeled data. It does not know what is circle here, what is rectangle here. We are not labeling that these are the circles, these are the rectangles, or these are the triangles. It must find out pattern on its own and group these all of these geometrical shapes we have on its own by itself. So let's take the example of customer segmentation. Now let's say you run an online store. You have hundreds or thousands of customers buying different things, right? But you don't know which customers are similar to each other. So here, what unsupervised learning can do, the machine look at all your customer behavior, like how much they buy, what products they prefer, how much they visit your store, or how much they spend. So then it can group similar customers into clusters, like similar customers together. Like for example, first cluster, let's say customers who buys a lot of electronic items. Second cluster, customers who buy cheap everyday items. Third cluster, customers who buy luxury items. So why is this useful? Once you know these groups, you can personalize marketing for each group, right? So send special discounts on electronics to cluster 1, offer details on everyday items to cluster 2, promote new luxury products to cluster 3 customers. So unsupervised learning helps the machine find patterns in the customer behavior in this example. So these are some of the algorithms of unsupervised learning: K-means, cluster, PCA, etc. And the next one, reinforcement learning. So imagine you are playing a video game. You try something. If you do well, you get points or rewards. If you fail, you might lose points. So what happens over time? You learn the best way to play. This is how reinforcement learning works. The machine learns by trial and error. It receives rewards for good actions and penalties for bad actions. Some of the examples are self driving cars, games like chessbots, robotics, like picking up an object and moving it from one place to another, etc. Thank you for watching this video.